Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Now this video we are going to talk engine bay detailing with dry ice. So it's a bit of a myth. Instagram, social media people don't like it, say that you could do it with a cloth, you can do it with a rag, blah blah blah. Now as a professional point of view, we won't put water in an engine bay. There's too many potential hazards, too many potential risks of causing damage to the customer's vehicle, which naturally we don't want to do. Dry ice is, to us, the safest option. It's the easiest option and it's the most in-depth option available on the market without applying, say, any chemicals or moisture within the bay. Now, we'll have a look at this engine bay and we're going to go through some of the benefits and factors about dry ice engine bays. So this is a 2018 Kia Sportage. The engine bay, it's not oily and gunky. It is just, you know, dirt, grime, dust, little bits of debris and sand and stuff from the road. Nothing too drastic. Now, yes, a lot of people will use APC and rags and brushes and jet washes to clean all of this. I personally don't like that. There is too many risks. You've got a lot of vehicles now with engine bays, with ECUs, modules. Some of these new BMW headlights are around, I don't know, £2,500 to £3,000 each, plus electronic sensors. Now, little backstory for you, just as a off-topic kind of thing. I did a BMW X3 detail probably about a year ago now, and the customer left here, the vehicle broke down about a mile up the road. Basically, there was an issue with the alternator, it fried itself, something, I don't know the in-depth details about it. And he collected the vehicle and asked why I hadn't done the engine bay. This was before we did dry ice, and I said, I don't jet wash engine bays, simple. He went to BMW. The first thing BMW asked was, have you had your engine bay jet washed? Because that would have voided his warranty there and then. So it's one of the reasons why we don't get involved. It can be costly, and look, as a professional, you don't want those risks. It's just not worth it. Which is why we got into dry ice. It's one of the main reasons. Dry ice is obviously solid CO2 fired through the machine using compressed air only. There's no electronics with this machine, nothing. It is literally pneumatic. It's safe. It's not abrasive unless you add an abrasive media, which we don't. We're just using the solid CO2 pellets through the machine at around 6 bar for engine bay cleaning. Now, say a lot of people on Instagram say you can use a towel. So let's have a go. Let's use a towel. Okay. Yes, that's, you know, but it's not clean. There's still dirt. Like, you're not going to get into those areas there, and you're certainly not getting into those crevices with just a towel. So that's one factor. It's another item that we can just, you know, wipe with a cloth. And oh yeah, we can wipe it, and yeah, the edge comes clean, but the inner sections don't. And so you can't, I mean, I'm quite happy to, and yeah, the loose stuff comes off, but not exactly clean, is it? And the other famous one that we get said a lot is an air compressor will do it. Now, an air compressor, yes, will blow the light dirt, as you're going to see now. But it still didn't remove the grime from inside. So let's do the engine bay properly. We'll get the dry ice set up properly, get some safety equipment on, and we'll give this engine bay a nice good clean and get it up to standard. So we've got our gloves on, we've got our safety spectacles, safety first, especially when using dry ice, because it can rebound off some of the rubber hoses and it will get you in the face, and let's tell me it hurts. A little bit about dry ice for those that don't know. So it's fired out of the machine at around 6 or 7 bar, depending on the pressure I've got this set to. Dry ice on impact sublimates to something like 600 thousandths of its time on impact, which is why the dirt moves. There is a correct terminology. I'll be honest, I don't know it off the top of my head. I can read it, and then forget it. Let's demonstrate it, and we'll show you how it works. So the machine's set, ready to go. We've got our wider fan jet nozzle on. It's a little bit more gentle and better for engine bays and stuff. So we'll take that, and I will take off the cameraman. So we'll start with the back bit. face me with it. No, keep it going, keep it rolling, just face me with it. So now you've seen a quick POV, so to speak, of how it works. I'm now going to put you on a tripod and we're going to finish the rest of the engine bay and show you when it's complete. So that's the demonstration complete. We've done the entire engine bay now. Let's bring you closer so you can have a little look. And there we go. Now we've not gone too in depth with this. This is part of our deep clean detail package, which is predominantly the inside and the outside of the vehicle. We've just done the engine bay as a courtesy, purely as a demonstration to make this video, because obviously it was a perfect bay for us. And we had some ice in stock, so it worked well. I mean, look at that. Looks like brand new and absolutely zero water or chemicals used. We will now put a dressing on the bay just to make it look that little bit nicer for the client. Obviously, it's a daily driven vehicle. This is the second deep clean I've done in about 3 years, I think, on this car. So I will no doubt see it again in a couple of years, not cleaned, looking like this, or looking like how it did, should we say. But yeah, that's our take on engine bay detailing and why we use dry ice cleaning. Personally, to us, it's the best way. Yeah, that's all there is to really say on it. Look, if you've got any questions about dry ice cleaning, you want your engine bay done, you want to get into dry ice cleaning, whether it be for engine bays, detailing, underbodies, or even commercial, because there is a lot of options for dry ice cleaning on the commercial aspect. Drop me a message via the socials. Obviously, they're all linked below. Check out Dry Ice Energy. It's a German brand, German quality. The machines are absolutely fantastic. I wouldn't be without mine now, and we've been doing it about a year. So there is a year update coming on a video very soon regarding dry ice. Yeah, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you again soon.